Has there ever been a path you've taken that has saved you from the life that you were living? So growing up, I lived in a very toxic environment. Drugs, alcohol, abuse, everything was negative. Half-assing was normal, quitting was encouraged. I started weight training in high school and I fell in love with the sport and everything that it entails, discipline, hard work, and work ethic. I started competitive bodybuilding at 19, eventually got sponsored, have my son, my wife. I have a lot of sacrifices that I make with my time and my family. With those sacrifices, I want to make sure that I'm supported by the best possible supplements that there are. That's where KAGED Muscle comes into play. If you want to learn more about the best supplement company in the industry, you can follow us on Instagram at KAGEDMUSCLE. I'm Beckrich. I choose KAGED Muscle to fuel my performance.